This is your chef Izzy reporting back in. We got about $80 worth of some steak here. We're barbecuing in the snow, guys. We are in a major snowstorm right now going on in southwestern Ontario, Canada. I went to the butcher shop, stopped, got some fucking $80 worth of steak there. Some nice ribeyes. Do some salt, pepper, some salt, pepper, some olive oil, Montreal steak spice. Can't even read that thing, it's all fogged up. Looking at about 400 though. This is southwestern Ontario right now. Literally, you got about 4 feet of snow out here. It's pretty insane. This is what we're dealing with at the moment. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's getting pretty incredible out here. Izzy the chef checking in. I know it's been a while, guys. Thank you for staying tuned. It's snowing, it's blizzarding, we're barbecuing. I got my family inside.